Meaning of luminescent.
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 Luminescent. The term luminescent refers to the property of a substance or object to emit light without producing significant amounts of heat. This process involves the absorption of energy, usually in the form of light or other electromagnetic radiation, which is then emitted as visible light. The emitted light may have a specific color or range of colors depending on the type of substance, and this property is often used in a variety of practical applications, such as in lighting devices, displays, and medical imaging technologies.